Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very different way to knit a popcorn stitch, and I have already made a video on how to knit a popcorn stitch in a pattern. So if you are interested on that, I'll leave the link down below. Right, so there are lots of other ways you can knit the popcorn stitch, but today I'm going to show you a very different way or very different technique. Right, so let's begin. So I have already done my button band here, and now I'm going to cast an I'm going to knit 9 stitches here. Right, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, and now I'm going to make a popcorn stitch here into this stitch. Right, so for this technique you will also need a hook. Right, so now you're going to insert your hook into this stitch, and you're going to take your working yarn with your left hand like that. Right, and then you're gonna make 2 chain here. So 1 and 2, and then you're going to do yarn over and insert your hook into that stitch, and then pull that loop through. Right, and now we have 3 stitches here, and now we're going to pull it through the first pull it through our first loop like that, and we have 3 stitches, still 3 stitches here. Right, and we're going to pull it through again, pull it through our 2 loops like that, and now we're going to do that one more time. So yarn over, insert your hook and draw a loop, and pull it through your first loop, and then pull it through your 2 loops, and we have 3 stitches on here, and now we're going to pull it through all 3 loops like that, and now we have a popcorn stitch here. See, we have made a popcorn stitch, and now we're going to drop our hook and then place our needle into that stitch. Right, and then we're going to knit 9 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then we're going to make a popcorn stitch again. So insert your hook like that, and take your working yarn with your left hand like that. Right, and then pull this loop through and make 2 chain, 1 and 2. Right, and then yarn over and draw a loop, and then pull it through your first loop, and again pull it through your 2 loops, and we have 2 stitches here, and then we're going to do that one more time. Yarn over, so yarn over, and then draw a loop and pull it through your first loop and pull it through your 2 loops, and now we have 3 stitches on here, and then we're going to pull it through all 3 stitches, and we have made another popcorn, and we're going to place our needle into that stitch, and then we're going to knit 9 again. 1 2 3. I'm going to show you that one more time. Right, so 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then insert your hook and make 2 chains, 1 2, yarn over, draw a loop, and then pull it through your first loop, and again pull it through your 2 loops, and again yarn over, draw a loop, pull it through your first loop, and pull it through your 2 loops, and then we have 3 stitches on here. We're going to pull it through all these 3 stitches and place our needle into that stitch, and then knit 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Right, see, so that's how you knit this popcorn stitch. I hope you like it, right? If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.